Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. We've got some great news today for those of you using Samsung's mid-range phones. The Galaxy A35 5G and A54 5G are finally catching up and entering the Android 16 world. After weeks of no news, internal testing for oneui 8 has officially begun on both devices. Not too long ago, these phones received the oneui 7 update based on Android 15. But Samsung's already gearing up for their next major software upgrade. The pace seems much faster this time around, and that's definitely a good sign for users. Before we dive deeper, here's a quick heads up for anyone planning to buy the new Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you use the exclusive links in the description made just for Drop Tech viewers, you can unlock some awesome benefits. First, you'll get a free $50 Samsung credit just by clicking the link. On top of that, there's up to $150 in storage upgrade credit, which means you can either double your storage for free or save big on the 1TB version. And that's not all. Samsung's offering up to $1,000 in trade-in credit for your old phone and 30% off on Galaxy watches and earbuds. These offers won't last forever, so be sure to grab them while you can. Back to the A-series phones, starting with the Galaxy A35. Samsung has rolled out its first internal firmware test for oneui 8 on this phone, and the version is labeled A356BXU5CYG5. What's interesting is that this happened just 2 weeks after the Galaxy A55 began testing Android 16. It really looks like Samsung is finally treating the A35 as a priority, at least when it comes to software updates. As for the Galaxy A54 5G, it's also now part of the oneui 8 development process. A fresh major build has popped up on Samsung's firmware server under version A546BXXY5, confirming that testing is officially in motion. Now, even though it may still take a few months for the update to reach users publicly, especially since Samsung always rolls out updates to its flagship devices first, this shows clear progress. If you think back, both the A35 and A54 had to wait quite a while before getting the Android 15-based oneui 7 update. But this time, Samsung's moving faster, which is definitely a welcome change. With the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 expected to launch with oneui 8 right out of the box, and the Galaxy S25 series already deep in beta testing, Samsung's mid-range phones aren't far behind anymore. So, overall, it's clear that Samsung is pushing ahead with bringing Android 16 and oneui 8 to more users, and the A35 and A54 are now next in line. That wraps up today's update. What do you think about all this? Are you excited to see these updates coming to your device? Drop your thoughts down in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.